Hey there folks, my name is Luke. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review where I am reviewing this product right here. This is a legit piece of military surplus. This is the Gen 3 Cold Weather Fleece Jacket. 360 time. Yes, this thing is a little bit strange looking, isn't it? It kind of looks like I'm wearing some sort of like odd fur coat. I can tell you that it's incredibly warm and absolutely terrible in the wind. Go ahead and stick with me. Let's get to it. When it comes to color, you are looking at Foliage Green. It's a green-gray sort of color. It's very unusual. I happen to like it. When it comes to cost, you will pay anywhere from $17 all the way up to $30. You will find these all over the place, most military surplus sites, and of course, eBay. If you're going out to purchase one of these products, make sure that you get a legit piece of military surplus. Make sure that it has the stated NSN number, which is the NATO stock number, also known as the national stock number. There are many companies out there who make knockoff versions of this jacket, such as Rothco. Now, when it comes to the maker of this one here, this was made by Tru-Spec. I have heard that this jacket here was made specifically for the Army. It was never issued to the Marines. Maybe that's true, maybe it's not. That's what I read. When it comes to functions and features, let's go ahead and talk about that right now. Of course, here on the chest, you have numerous placements of Velcro, so you can put patches, names, and all that stuff on there. Down at the bottom, you do have hand pockets, and they are huge. I mean, they are absolutely humongous. This will fit your hands with humongous mutant mitts on. They will fit in these pockets here. Of course, you do have the zipper, which goes all the way down. Opening up the inside, you have a mesh pocket on one side, and you have a mesh pocket on the other. Made by Tru-Spec. Behind the zipper, you do have a protective flap, which goes all the way down. This does block out some wind, so if it's windy, it goes through the zipper and gets stopped by this material here. Now, speaking of wind, it will absolutely fly through this jacket. This will not block the wind at all. It will not block the wind at all. So you do need that outer shell to protect you. Here on the shoulders, this material is reinforced. Here on the arms, again, reinforced. When it comes to the materials, this is a Polartec Thermal Pro, and it is very warm. You know, with a good long sleeve base layer, this fleece jacket here, and a good outer layer, you can easily be comfortable down to the 20s, and I have been. I've had this piece in my collection for a number of years, and a viewer actually sent this to me. Thank you so much. It's weird looking. I mean, it does look like shaggy carpet in a way, but even still, I like it. I think it looks good. Just in case you want it, the NSN number is 8415-01-538-6742. 100% polyester. Now, when it comes to the collar here, very generous. So when it's nice and cold, you can put that up and you can stay a little bit warmer. Now, as mentioned, folks, this jacket is not a windbreak at all. The winds are maybe 10 miles an hour right now. I mean, and it's blowing right through this jacket. So without a doubt, you need a shell to go over the top of this. When it comes to the review, let's wrap this up real quick. This thing is awesome. For the $17 to $25 range, you can pay up to $30 for it. I think below 30, you're getting yourself a great deal. I mean, it is an odd looking jacket, and I don't know if it's something that everybody would want. Personally, I like it. It's different. I mean, I've never seen anything like it. I've never seen anybody wearing anything like it. For its purpose, it does exactly what it is meant to do. It keeps you warm. It's breathable. Yes, very, very good quality. This is part of the extreme cold weather system, which is used by the military. Like I mentioned before, Generation 3, this is Level 3. When it comes to size, I think it's right on. This is a medium regular, and it fits me like a medium regular should. It's lightweight, it's simple. For that low price tag, it's not bad at all. Now, of course, there are fleece jackets out there which I like better than this one, but they cost a whole lot more. 17 bucks, $25, whatever you want to spend. You're getting yourself a pretty good jacket. And of course, it is military surplus, so you know exactly what that means. It's well built. It will last. Terrible for blocking out the wind, but warm and also lightweight. If you have any questions for me, email me. Until next time, everyone, strength and honor. More military surplus is coming up. Thanks, guys.